Ready to transform your cold emails into warm conversations and watch your conversion rate soar. Let's dive into how you can send video emails directly from Follow Up Boss and unlock the power of personalized visual communication. First, open the contact you want to email within Follow Up Boss. Now, within the email composition window, look for the video icon or the attachment option. This might appear slightly different depending on your specific Follow Up Boss setup, but the goal is to find where you can add a video file. You'll typically have a few choices. You can upload a video directly from your computer, record a new video using your webcam if Follow Up Boss has that integration, or embed a video from a platform like YouTube or Vimeo for the best results. Keep your videos short, personal, and focused on providing value. Once you've chosen your video and added it to the email, make sure a clear thumbnail is displayed, and consider adding a compelling title or short description to entice the recipient to click and watch. The real magic happens with automation. Head over to Follow Up Boss's automation settings and create a smart email sequence. This allows you to send automated follow-up emails based on whether the recipient watched the video or not. For example, if they watched, send a follow-up email addressing key points. If they didn't, send a reminder with a different subject line to recapture their attention.